Are you still using ClickFunnels to run your business? Well, my question is, why have you not made the switch over to HighLevel yet? Now, hear me out. First off, I'm going to start by saying I'm not knocking Russell Brunson. He's a brilliant man. He's a brilliant marketer, and the ClickFunnels community has some amazing trainings in there. However, I truly believe that HighLevel is a better solution for building and managing your funnels, as well as just running your business overall. Let me show you a couple things on why I believe that. All for the same price as ClickFunnels. In HighLevel, you're going to get unlimited funnels, you get unlimited websites, form and survey builders, you get calendars, you don't need Calendly anymore, you get communication, meaning you can communicate with your clients and your leads and automate it all. SMS, email, Facebook Messenger, Instagram DMs, Google Business Profile messaging, live chat widget, and WhatsApp. You get a whole CRM pipeline, email marketing with drag and drop email builder to make you those pretty looking emails, send them out to market to your leads. You also get membership sites, similar to Kajabi. You can have all your training courses in there. And recently added is community. A community similar to School or Circle.co or Facebook groups, all within HighLevel. Plus, my favorite part, all of this, you can automate it all within the software. You don't need extra software. It's all built right in. Whereas if you go with ClickFunnels, now you need to connect all these extra softwares. You're paying for all of that. Plus you're having to do the integration, making them connect. And it's just a lot more headache. HighLevel is the same price, $97 or $297 if you're an agency and you're going to need your clients to have their own accounts as well. Now, if you want to learn more about HighLevel and all the benefits and the features that it has, go ahead and check out my review video. I'll have the link down in the description and probably somewhere on this video be up in the corner somewhere. You can click on it there. And that'll show you all the in-depth workings of HighLevel. Now, if all of that sounds great and you want to get started and test out HighLevel, I do have my affiliate link down in the description. It'd be greatly appreciated if you use my affiliate link. It'll get you a 14-day free trial. Plus, I'll send you out all my bonuses. I'll get you set up and support you with starting on your HighLevel journey. Also, I have down in the description my link to my free community, as well as my free course that shows you how to use HighLevel. If you use my link, that'd be greatly appreciated. It helps support my channel. Now let's get into the main part of this video, which is how you can take your ClickFunnels funnels and easily import them into HighLevel so you can make the switch. Let me show you how that's done. This is the HighLevel dashboard. To get to the funnel builder, we're going to go over to sites. All right, in the funnel builder, from here, I'm going to add a new funnel. I'm just going to do from blank. I'll just type in funnel. I'm going to create. There's also thousands of templates within HighLevel that you can use, or you can start from scratch. But if you're going from ClickFunnels, this is how you're going to transfer it over. We're going to add a new step. I'll just call this opt-in. Now, here's how you can import from ClickFunnels. Here's this handy little import from ClickFunnels option right here. Go over to your ClickFunnels account. For this example, I'm going to show you, we're going to use this one here. This is a very simple funnel, but yet it's big enough that it would take me a little time to build it out within HighLevel. What you're going to do is you're going to copy that URL. You're going to come back into HighLevel. You're going to paste that URL in. You're going to confirm that it belongs to you or you have permission to use it. And then we're going to click Create Funnel Step. Now what it's doing is taking that funnel and it's building it within HighLevel. What HighLevel did in the background was it took that URL, it looked at it, imported it into HighLevel. There are some changes you'll have to go and make, but for the most part, you get the structure in here. That's the key part. Now you just go and make the edits to make it look good. For example, this row, let's go ahead and take this row and let's just move it down a little bit, make it a little bit shorter. If we look back at the funnel over here, see what else. Okay, we didn't transfer this text over. We'll have to take this text, but easy enough to copy this right here. We'll just paste that in, maybe make the size a little bit smaller. And then we can do that for each one. Import the image as well, get an image. When we scroll down, look, everything is already here, ready to go. Not a whole lot of changes you have to make. There is one thing. HighLevel does the forms a little bit different than ClickFunnels does. In ClickFunnels, you can build the form right within the funnel. HighLevel, you have to build the form in the HighLevel platform, then you connect to the funnel builder. So let me show you how we're going to do that. First, I'm going to save this, make sure it's saved. Then I'm going to back out here, go over to the form builder up here. We'll go to builder, and I have some forms in here, but I'm just going to show you how simple it is to make a new form. I'm going to click on add form, start from scratch. There's also templates in there that you can build forms from the template library. HighLevel has a lot of templates. Here's a very simple form. Let's go ahead and let's make this, I kind of like it to be full name instead. So I'm going to drag over full name. I'm going to remove the first, last name, email, phone, a little bit simpler that way. Let's make it required. We can change the color. Let's make it a blue color. Great. That form works. Form 3, we'll just say, we'll call it opt-in. There's a lot more fields that you can add in here, a lot more you can do the form builder, but this is just very basic. I'm going to click on save. Now it's saved. I'm going to back out and we're going to go back to the funnels. Go into that funnel here that we just made. edit the funnel, and we're going to add that form in. Over here, click on the plus button, add a form, and now the drop down here, select the form, which is that new one I just created, opt-in. As we see, it put the form right in there. Looks great. And now we don't need this button anymore. Remove this button, and I can go and reword that button that says get my free copy, whatever it said. That's very simple. You can also even put the form on a pop-up if you wanted to, instead of having it directly on the funnel. A lot more you can do with it. You can add in, there's a form, you can add in surveys, you can add in calendar, you can add all of that right onto your funnel, which again is all built within the HighLevel software. Once that's done, now we look over, make your last edits, and then you are good to go. We'll click on save. I'm going to back out here, and now we got our funnel there. What you'll do next is you'll go grab your other pages, create another step, and you'll import them as well. Now you'll have your ClickFunnels funnel into HighLevel. How much quicker was that than going out and building your own funnels from scratch and trying to go back and forth and copy and paste and make your funnel over in ClickFunnels look the same as HighLevel? This import feature just makes it a lot easier. Now, one thing we're going to do for this video, I'm going to show you the other benefits that I believe that HighLevel has over ClickFunnels. One, I've done numerous tests, taking a ClickFunnels funnel where I've imported into HighLevel and just compared the two funnels, and the speed of HighLevel's funnels load a lot faster than ClickFunnels. Also, I think the funnel builder just loads faster as well. And one of the really subtle feature that I think is amazing, I'm going to show you this right now. Add a new step. I'm not going to import anything right now. I'm just going to create the funnel step because I'm going to show you this simple feature, which I think is amazing. We have this step here. Let me go in and create from blank. We're going to start with a blank slate. It really doesn't matter. But what I want to show you is, oh, no, maybe I want it to be in the opt-in. That's what I wanted to edit. Instead of having to back out and then go into that page, I can just click on the drop down here and it's like whatever step I want to go to. And it switches right over to that page. It's a very subtle feature, but I think it helps out so much quicker with building your funnels. Maybe I just geek out over that. Anyways, that's how you create your funnels in HighLevel. Now I want to show you the speed test on it. Let's go ahead and back out here. All right, I want to take a second here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad to have you here. If you're getting value out of this and you like this, I'd appreciate it if you can give this video a thumbs up, give it a subscribe, then you can get notified anytime my videos are coming out. I have a lot of great videos on my channel, mostly about HighLevel, automation, software. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop in the comments. I'm more than happy to help out. And I'm going to settings, connect a domain, and I'm going to save that. Now I'm going to take this link. I'm going to head over into GTmetrix, to Pingdom, and Google's PageSpeed Insights to run a speed test on all three of these for HighLevel and for ClickFunnels. I'm going to show you the difference. This top screen here is the HighLevel funnel. Here's the performance of it. ClickFunnels funnel down here. The exact same funnels you saw, I just imported from ClickFunnels into HighLevel, and I took those exact ones, put them into GTmetrix. As you see, HighLevel has a much faster load speed, higher performance. Just right out of the box, HighLevel has better servers. Next, we're going to go over to Pingdom. Pingdom is the next one. As we see, HighLevel had a performance grade of 91. We look down here at ClickFunnels, had a performance grade of 74 with a larger page size than the HighLevel. Let's also head over to Google's PageSpeed Insights, which is another great one. We're going to go over to this one. On ClickFunnels, had a performance of 79, whereas HighLevel had a performance of 94. Let's also go over to mobile. If we switch to mobile, 71. Let's go to mobile for ClickFunnels. Even that was a lot worse, 58. As we see here, HighLevel in all three tests outperformed ClickFunnels in loading faster. With having your funnels load faster, that's going to give you more and better leads, because now there's less chance of when your leads click on your link that the page takes longer to load it and they just leave, because it'll load quicker. They'll opt in, they'll make your purchase, whatever they need to do, whatever your goal is, you're going to get more leads. That is how you can take your ClickFunnels, move them over into HighLevel. Plus you get all the other added benefits of HighLevel. Communication, forms, calendars, surveys, membership sites, all of that within the same price as ClickFunnels. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. If you thought this was great, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.